Okay, so save the image as JPEG in Gimp. So if you find this helpful, this short tutorial, please like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. So here I'll just import image. I have this interesting image with a lot of grain. So here I'd like to save this image. Let's say I'll go to export as, and then here we have select files type, and you just have to look through all the file type until you see JPEG image, this format. And yeah, just look through this and here we have so now I can simply select the file, the format I want, and I can click on export. So just click on export, and then it just pops this up, this panel, and I can select use quality settings from the original, increase or decrease the quality, and then save thumbnail, whatever you want, and then click on save. Just click on export. So yeah, I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. You might say, oh, that's something simple, why I didn't know. Well, believe me guys, there's so many simple stuff, Photoshop, Gimp, that I didn't know how to do, but they were so simple. But yeah, I just searched for it. Anyways, thanks for watching and take care.